Earth, our home, our future. Earth is the only habitable planet for light years around. Because of this factor, you'd think that we would look after our precious planet, wouldn't you? Well, you'd be wrong. Thanks to global warming, our beloved Earth is under attack. Soon it will be nothing more than a wasteland of death and destruction. The polar ice caps are rapidly melting. Soon they will be reduced to nothing, causing multiple natural disasters. But how soon will this be? Well, to find this out, we need to use a mathematical equation. This consists of using BODMAS and algebra. Now onto the equation. Negative 0.0408x plus 16.5450. Negative 0.0408 represents the sea level. The x after this number represents the year that has to be multiplied by negative 0.0408. Then 16.5450 is added to show how long it will take for the ice caps to fully melt. When predicting the answer of x, it may help to search up a graph such as this one. Now we are able to find out the answer to this equation. Thanks to this graph, you can now tell that x equals the year 1970. Now it is time to put the answer of x into the equation to find out the final answer. Now you might be wondering what the answer to this equation is. Well, that is if you haven't figured it out by now. Now it is time to acknowledge the answer, negative 63.831. This now represents that there is less than 64 kilometers of ice caps left throughout the entire world. This time we are going to show you how to work it out in only 2 simple steps. In step 1, you have to multiply negative 0.0408 by 1970 to get your final answer. Now don't forget to add those extra digits in. Step 1 should now give you an answer of negative 80.376. Now on to step 2, where you will get your answer to the equation. To do this, you have to add negative 80.376 and 16.545. But an easier way of doing it is to subtract the numbers. You should have now completed and done all the math work to the equation and found out the answer by yourself. But obviously, if your final answer was different, you must have calculated something incorrectly. Hopefully you have now learned something, other than the fact that our world could completely be filled with water in the near future.